Hi, welcome back. This is our favorite topic. So once you join the company, every financial year, you will be hiked. That means your salary is going to increase, depends on the numbers, what company is going to announce. First 3 years, it is going to be, you know, it is going to create a lot of excitement within you. Okay. And after that, you will slowly come to the reality. Okay. I'll tell you. Okay, what is the topic today? So if you don't get proper hikes, what you have to do? Of course, this is $1 million question, even for me also in my career. Let me explain you. I joined in X company. Okay, I worked for a year. Day and night I worked. I got 6% hike. That is service company. Okay, tier 3 company. So that is got sold out. That is different story. And second year, I got 4%. Third year, I got 17%. Fourth year, 0. Fifth year, 0. Okay. Don't excite. Like, when the times ahead, if really it matters for your work and your timing, and there is no internal politics and your skills and a lot of things factors. Of course, if you're a skilled person, also a lot of factors. First year, I'm repeating again, 6%. Second year, 4%. Service company, they don't give, nowadays they're giving good hikes, and olden days it is very difficult. After that, 17%, and it's a very good year. And with what do you call promotion. Fourth year, 0. Fifth year, 0. If you get angry, if you don't get angry, if you're performed, it doesn't perform, it's your fate and it's your timing. And a lot of people involved, sometimes that is different story. First company, nothing like that. Okay, out of 5 years, 2 years, no hikes. So there is nothing to surprise. So like, if you started career, every year, if you wanted to get a hike, it depends. For example, if you take the scenario like COVID and all, have chances to lose the job also sometimes, how much skilled you are. So you are nothing. Like some people might have like 5-6 modules of SAP skills, including technical and all those things, including interfaces. They can individually contribute. Those kind of people also lose jobs. They will give go lives with their own hands for both technical and functional. They can able to handle everything. Such kind of people also will lose. When the market is on peak, they will be much appreciated. And like us, 1 or 2 modules who learn, that is also okay. Okay, first 5 years, 2 years hikes, not there. Second company, first year got strictly 4.5%. Second year, no hike. Third year, some kind of no hike. I think third year, so like they give a small hike, some number 3.5. I jumped from that company. In that company, I used to handle 2 systems. With me, another colleague is there. One system is shared by everyone. I am also one of the contributor. And second system, me and another person is alone handling. That is European system. Italy, COVID market gone. So who will give value to you? So that is also tier 3 company, you can say, one kind of. After that big leap, jump, got very, very good hike, almost doubled. Okay. After that, got 10%. And again jump. See, what is the moral of this story? So don't beg anybody. So if you ask also, they don't give you. You can request, no problem. Once or twice, 2 years, you can wait. It depends on the situation. Now look at the 2023 and 24. If it is recession is way up, you got some news from Singapore or somewhere, any friends are there? Don't experiment this. Okay. So when you jump, you take whatever you want it. So in service companies, as long as you continue, they will give whatever they like it. If you demand and if you performed, or see, there is nothing like that. Till now in software industry, for technical people performance, there is no stick. Always manager will refer someone, whoever he likes. Okay, that is your then you'll get it. So better stop asking, better don't create these kind of situations in your mind. I worked hard. Yes, you worked hard. You got your salary, right? If you don't like it, you move from this place to another place. There is no other solution. There is no other what I would say, some kind of element is coming and protect you. You have to protect yourself in IT companies. At least you continued the job over the years. That is the great thing. Even late started or early started, it doesn't matter. Okay. So this is about hikes. Next, to discuss about those people who are doing frequent jumps. I didn't do that. So my least is 2 years and best is 5 years. First company you must have to stay at least 4 to 5 years. If the company is good, you can continue 7 to 10 years also. Who asked you to jump actually? As long as you don't get diseases and you don't get mental tension and you are good with family, don't try to compare with others. Just move on. Whenever you feel that time is over, just move from that place to another place. It may be because of money, maybe because generally I also hope for money. I never moved for money. I just moved for technology. It didn't happen. Last two companies, let it be. That's okay. I can handle the work. I'm getting the money. That is matter for me. Okay. If you are facing similar kind of situations in your service companies, I welcome you to comment here. Okay. Before closing our session, okay, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. That's why you can able to help me out here. And all these are the different courses. For example, if you are looking for SAP SD career, SAP SD sales and distribution, this is 100 plus hours. Definitely it will give you the benchmark, like the stability. You can start on SAP SD, and if you are passionate like me to learn pricing, SD complete pricing, I have two courses actually, three courses. You can try 26 hours on pricing topic. You imagine, you can try this course. It is very, very good. And I'm holding 1,000 plus students for this course. With that inspirations, I have done this course actually. This is called passion. Your passion is beyond your expectations and money actually. If you'd like to sell something at cheaper level, that's why I have chosen this forum to help people. Okay, so you can try this rebates if you have doubts. And this is S4 HANA FSCM SD credit management concepts. Our credit management concepts got moved to your S4 HANA. All these are the different courses I have. And if you are particularly beginner and you're looking for the real time already done the course, we have that confidence within you for standard. You try this course irrespective of anyone getting master to write functional specification. And if someone is having wanted to learn starting of their career, idoc training. See, first 3 years in my projects, only PA they use it. They didn't use idoc. That's why I don't have knowledge. I found the difficulty in my second job trials after working 5 years. idoc, I have theoretical knowledge, but I don't have much practical knowledge. But over the years, the next 5 years, I got very good experience in idocs. I have given solutions also. I worked in support also. I have learned a lot. So wait for the opportunity. So this is the opportunity if you really wanted to learn. Okay, before starting ahead. So if you see this course, how much lighter sense create you in your mind if you are any project for idocs, okay, for standard scenarios. So it will boost up your confidence. Okay. So we don't have these kind of things on those days. You try to understand. If you really like it, you can try this course. Okay. That's it. There is nothing much to discuss. I just wanted to, openly. I'm an open kind of person. I discussed about this thing. Nothing happened to me. Okay. This is your way. This is one suggestion. Don't cry for if you don't get hike. If you have talent, if you don't have talent, doesn't matter. It's the time decides, the situation decides, and your fate decides the place where you are working. Sometimes you'll get very good experience with work. Sometimes you will get very good experience with work plus hikes. Sometimes you don't get work, but you will get very good hikes. You'll surprise it by the things what God is creating after your job. Okay. I wish you all the best. Try to get more hikes and be happy with your family. This is part of our life. Don't think that this is the ultimatum. Okay. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Bless you all.